Good morning, everyone. It's colder than I anticipated, so I had to put some extra layers on. At least it's sunny out. Yesterday was rainy off and on, and it was just cloudy the whole day. And then I woke up to this morning, so I'll take it. I like to do a morning walk every morning just to stretch and get the blood flowing, especially during the winter, and especially because yesterday I spent most of my day in the van, so stretching is very important. Ganapat is right over there, just sunbathing and soaking up some of that much needed vitamin D for the batteries, because like I mentioned yesterday, there was no sun. So battery is still going strong, but hopefully it tops off as much as it can. It's kind of hard in the winter because the sun's not up very much, and at its highest point it's probably maybe an hour, if not less than that. That's when the solars get optimal charge. This is another camp spot that has a fire ring. However, we can't have any fires. But I do like what they've done. Like, they have these logs here that you could probably just sit around it when you can make a fire. This wasn't here a while back, so it's a nice change as soon as you can have some fires. So my tires up front are supposed to be 65 when cold, and it's at 60 right now. I have this Ryobi compressor. It's not the best in the world, but I think it's good enough for it to go that extra 0.5 or 5 psi. Same thing, this one is a little low. So we're gonna bring it to 65. My tires in the back are at 70. They're supposed to be at 85, but I'm not really concerned with those. It's still okay with 70 because I'm not fully loaded. Even though it's sunny and it looks nice outside, it's deceiving because it's a little windy and it's still pretty cold. So I'm gonna be cooking in here because I am ready to make some lunch. I'm gonna be making something super simple today for lunch, and that's the avocado toast because I have a bunch of avocado that I need to go through and I don't want it to go bad. I have sourdough bread because, you know, it lasts longer in the van, and the sunny side up egg, and that's pretty much how my avocado toast goes. But I do put a lot of seasonings in it, so that's pretty exciting. Just gonna cut the avocado, obviously. Hopefully it's still good. I always say that, but they look like they wouldn't be good. Yeah, this is still usable. Got some smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, of course tahine, the vegeta, basically just to kind of get some salt in there and some other delicious seasonings, pepper, basil infused extra virgin olive oil. It's gonna make it super refreshing. I like to do the mix first because after that it's ready. I'm just gonna toast the bread, throw in a sunny side up egg in the skillet, and should be good. But first, I'm actually going to toast the bread. Got a little bit of burn there, which I like. Is this the best way to toast some bread? Absolutely not, but this is all I have right now. Just gonna get a few chili flakes on there. That was super nutritious and delicious and easy to make, minus the bread and minus the fried egg. You know, I'll say half and half with the egg because it does have protein, but it was also made with coconut oil. Nevertheless, it's a staple in the van like many other things. It's super easy to make. I'm gonna sit down and start doing some video editing. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you got something out of it, don't forget to hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to see more van life content, we have these videos up here for you. And I will see you in the next one.